Have you ever wondered how rain forms and falls from the sky? It all starts with the sun heating up water from oceans, rivers, and lakes. This water turns into vapor and rises into the sky. This process is called evaporation. As the vapor rises, it cools down and turns into tiny water droplets. These droplets gather together to form clouds. This is known as condensation. When too many droplets gather and the clouds get heavy, the droplets combine into bigger drops. Eventually, they fall back to Earth due to gravity. That's precipitation, what we call rain. The rainwater collects in rivers and oceans, and the cycle starts all over again. This is the water cycle in action. So next time it rains, you'll know. It's nature's way of keeping water moving.